So it's December 21st, 2019. Saturday. This started at 5 o'clock p.m. It's like 5:25 p.m. now. The last time the episode stopped was at 2 or 2:30 this morning. Here it's just starting at the end of our workout. Physical therapy. Trying to build my esophagus strength, stomach, get blood flowing. It's kind of therapy here more than it used to be weight training. Now it's whatever exercise I can get done and keep blood flowing and keep the nerves working. Doctors aren't helping, so I have to figure it out myself. Because it's advancing and it's getting harder. Mind, body, and spirit. It's getting harder. I'm thankful to have a support group. They don't necessarily talk all the time, or we just check in when we can when we feel like it, but just really comforting knowing that there's other people there that understand, man. This is a real. Unless you're experiencing it, either the patient himself and or their immediate caregiver, nobody will ever understand what we're having to experience. It's not even visible on any of the videos that I make. I mean, it's much worse than what I've been able to show, and for some reason it likes to behave when I turn the camera. And when I go in the doctor's office, mostly it stops for them. It's nerves, so it's got a mind of its own. Make me feel like I'm a liar, so that's why I record. Prove it. Medically pioneering a condition requires a lot more attention than walking in and having somebody guide you through it. We're on our own. On our own with this. Until we get some doctors to pay attention. That's kind of the idea I have in mind.